Hey guys, welcome back to Meepers Jeepers. Got another tool review for you today. This tool here, it's Harbor Freight. This tool here, like I had to really run around to look for it. Like it's hard to find this. It seems like a lot of the Harbor Freights don't have them in stock, especially close to me. But you know, a lot of the tools that Harbor Freight has, the Icon line, a lot of them, it's up for debate whether Icon is as good as Snap-on, as good as Matco. That seems to be all up for debate. But this set here is RXFT35. This Ratchet and bit set. So, I'm sure that all of us have a ton of bits in our boxes, but it's not the bits that this tool is so liked for. So obviously you got your little ratchet for the bits. It has a little driver for a quarter inch socket. So, but what makes this set so nice is that you can slip this through and it turns into a T-handle. So, working on small stuff, or I don't know, lawnmowers, fans, us DIYers, we DIYers, sorry. We do just about everything ourselves. It's a nice little flex head. I don't know, maybe 9 positions, 10 positions. But if you take this out, I don't know if you can see, but there's lines. I don't know if my camera's going to focus on that. But if you take that line that's on there, it's a dotted line, and put it toward that white dot that's on it, it goes all the way through. If you, for the T handle. So there you go. Or if you take it back out, just spin it a quarter turn, it'll just stay in there like that. So you can use it as a small ratchet. So, and the bit, like I said, it's got the quarter inch adapter where you can put a quarter inch socket on it. If you can't get enough leverage with this, it also sticks in the rear, and it makes it kind of a long handled quarter inch ratchet. So I think that the quality of this one is definitely up there with Snap-on, Matco. Again, they're very popular through Harbor Freight, because I had to go all the way to Delaware, which is, I don't know, about an hour from my house, because anything that's a half hour, 45 minutes, I got 3 or 4 Harbor Freights around me, but none of them had these in stock. So very popular item. But for small intricate work, it's also reversible, if you can see that, which makes it really nice. The flex head is nice and stiff in it. It's not floppy. So, again, for the money, I don't know what this would cost on Snap-on. I don't do a lot of looking at Snap-on tools, because I don't want to spend the money for them. And it's also fun, me and Bob kind of bantering back and forth, because he's a Snap-on boy, and for $40, it's an all in all. Like, this will pretty much get 90% of the jobs done that you need a screwdriver for. Obviously you'll need the you'll need a small set of sockets to be able to use that, but it's got Allens and flatheads, and all 3 Phillips heads, and the Allens, they go pretty small, if you can see that. And then it's got some security star bits, and then your flatheads right there. So mean, for $39, guys, I mean, it's a good deal. Nice, nice hard case with like a rubber coating on it, I guess. But it's an excellent set of bits, and you know, I got a pack out in the house, and I got that big bit set through from Milwaukee with the pack out. But like, and it's nice. Don't get me wrong. That Milwaukee bit set that's in that half pack out that I got, it's great. And a lot of bits, 100 and some bits in it. It's got everything you need. But this one, you just stick it in your pocket and go. That makes it very, very nice. So, and like I said, the box is high quality. The plastic box that it comes in, you push that over like that, and it opens it right up. I mean, the hinge is nice. No slop in the hinge. And again, guys, I'm not a fanboy. I don't consider myself a fanboy of Harbor Freight. But when you get tools like this from Harbor Freight, that if I break it, I drive 2 blocks down the road, and they either order me a new one or give me a new one. The Snap-on stuff here in the part of Ohio that I live in, I don't see a lot of Snap-on trucks. So even if I did like Snap-on, to try to warranty a socket or a tool from Snap-on would take me far longer than just running down to my local Harbor Freight, take it in, no questions asked, they swap it out, they give me a new one. So anyway, that's the video, guys, on this bit set today, guys. Again, I mean, I like it. It feels very high quality. Anyway. So if you guys want the Icon bit set with the 1/4-inch driver, I mean, look online, because they're hard to find. So, all right, guys, give me a like and a share and a subscribe, and I appreciate you being here supporting the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.